Akan TV, the internet, the bro. Subscribe for more.
Ocha 190 times, but a year and the Bob for be a Bob Airboy. This is how these people they think. Police have maybe Mitie Nasembi or say or yet BBV or your car or your car and bosso and bosso. What is share na a automatic what is share driver na a Konichi. Or my Jaya and ye no them some train or ba. So because born empire or ban so money or me ya and one yana physical or so called bomb pie or by another acheso. And indeed, Papa will so by idea. Me say so a cat will be sitting down can go because he is spirit.
Yeah, that man is really a gift to us. So let's make him useful. Nyamene de na chey. And the person the African. So the politician, one am base me the resources like invest now with me aya adeno na shi enimonyam. Anka other African countries they can patronize from us. He's yes. Into mama yen kono because says obi ya adia ebe boa man say ya this say the hu hia ne so. This is the time was the endure money.
And so society we na chi. What about social media? Ebe je na for hair shatter banda. What I say? And so new we ni adia nka hia. And no na kire ewiase no and the trend the airco. And sometimes na me ka kire madam for say obi to almost minye bibi. Just start something. Ebe be na ni pe na epo na we help. Ko just afọ ade we no na ade nkoso bia ye tena TV so a ye tena radio so tena bia nka ye ka. No so we will put that thing aside. Never because at a bandera and airport for the cameras and what has the bandit invented? Then now why we are here or say a web boy economy. So you work with her.
Yes. But you know what? We are saying it be for the same thing in now what makes you different? Think and be creative. I dare back be you. No I did to say. Oh yeah, say basic beat me be Friday. That's what the man is doing. Salmon
and ordinary big ordinary dachi.
Yeah, so don't sit idle.
And was also create employment.
Yes.
Now the lady back one is also on all day chemicals in seminar. I shouldn't say. Lady they say we school, we university, no near you money there. And yet. Okojuma na nsmp no kohunu kokana ya panse akoye hwan wo university na so nyadwuma ya brana memfa and lady kan Ghana skafo a so ka ho bi and the papa no osanso create employment ukọ ne bia ye hona ne pe bi go ye adwuma omu na so Ghana from ba enti na me de mekase be wi so papa no ye boa no ne tanachi na obetun aboa ma Ghana ohia bebu na ye mu no etu atwa.
Yeah, we have such a like he's a gift. Nyakopon did not say. It's mama making use of him. And even all the African countries come travel call abroad. So we should know what we have and value it. Because Africa for in Ghana particular, the obey Bibiama yenya impact binya for such people no. I just shut about the unnecessary things and for their own benefits. Being kindness need well, my last topic to discuss to end the program is about Becca. No, Becca actual music industry name and no way you can so Becca, you have a good voice. When are you going to marry? Because when you know what's worth it, imagine Becca. And yeah, Becca no recording on energy. What day to Ghana for me money be no major. So I don't know any reason. But I know you when is that. Now see Becca worry and your man and my wanna Becca baby V secret natural say Nigerian men they are fantastic in bed. Even excuse me to say a womanhood huge and powerful than Ghanaians. As a Ghanaian lady singer Ghana for Eduwechi, is she supposed to say that?
Young Robbie, she says, I'm crying. And I say, Peno, Bema Sundia, and then Quebec, my little more you remark, a bonus and send a song penad naka crack. Yeah, a 7 year banana men and perceive furniture. You ask the beer or baby, Nasumerian, a junior say, I'll walk away. ediko be na so bedwe no se enu aba no e kasa asem na nka enye ye won ba all compare Ghana to Nigeria and a hammer the son say Ghana the enyu ayu why we be that
yes very
na wunya guy ya bisa odene fleze obi o say Nebeka edeti bisa and Becca is one of the ladies omo showbiz man me pon one say fa and say ko ye reti emba omo good no the reti ka ho bi I can so be so good na to go stand up compare Nigerian men to men and there because yes you Ghana han Nigeria for ma so say umenya yes Ghana for your men maybe and a ban mpaso agora Nigeria for men ma umunya good in China yeah Ghana for men ma that say descend then when you akonya abowe mo hono mo a ho na so kokoton wo man ukodi ye ho ade adanse because they be ameka say your nation first intimini say mo kan enuma eto na arise Ghana you for your country now because say nation no first and in America for here na abo mo no they don't portray negative about our country no always we are not portray positive and until so when you akonya any Nigeria ni be ma twempena nansi ebi so mko board na me the fans so on ne tia nansi ebi so be yi na be mu ne mother aside ya December trendy
yeah it was family issue but I think say there is
and a family issue say biane because also no be Martin it's a family issue why do you have to go to a stand say oko say yen Ghana guys you so you be there.
Well, me who need this maybe all the Ghana for me man on out in and maybe so far the Nigeria husband is better or good fantastic better than
but don't go and spoil their why enjoy that when first or comfortable watching from comfortable to ma and no now who enjoy ya na go pon ya waduma okoshia do be wado so that say to the first when you be aware no nche say condemn yen there because obi no hono ma o card boni afa no ho a e be no there and we as the more ye card boni fa de ho no na ade no mu de e film e be no movie industry na me ka say kofo sha se a mo ka sininyi osini ni bounce na anye so ajiegu the more o card boni fa ade bi ho no na kofo so e mene e see a o kan say abede wi asio e chemi Nigeria ni ba bi kwenya Ghana ni be ma ba ka se o mu kwa na say mo be ma nyede eni timi any one nyede engo out egu yen ho fin
it's really bad it's really
and more important than so Ghana ha dey bi de wo nti why and also so tell man mu ko you come back to meet people what I say we ba to obusun member so obusun so why do you have to tarnish they made your statement to ma unya be ye popular yanka here na me ka say last week na me number bi me do na lady bi do bento na una utwem na wunchia ye minim so munemi o some munemi na utwem director na utwem wunchia ye na me say oh mo fan che na my business me go share me sika na bi but sometimes to create assembly bi na ya grow some man happen serious and ye dey here for na me so woman bu fui kasa de say na mo chere mo say ye kasa munye nipa officer me onya me fan ka mu nka me wevu Mr. Atson kan no me can in agro keke so madam we dey pretend music and be twem and she took offended enti ubeya be ye celebrate so be popular say ko fo be nimu wa kase be fo nimu ba it's very important and sometimes I blame so-called managers in the PR of the celebrities no you should guide them and yet assembia na woman babu timbeka something be na so or can some e dey gain property to be okwa na yentene kan na meka mi fa matum na nkofo ho se me wo ho eno wo ho but obe ka se kan sama enkotane hye uman because ye na tonu na ye kan sem ba sama be go man ho fi dey try say be hye na tade asem wo go say ke koni straight but for the sake of course if am ka say ye wo Ghana ba akopɛ ye ni Ghana be bia bio and em prefer so wo sin chinya wo da e ho na wo tafre eno nti be bia ye didi wo so no ye nse ho timese say yemfa beka den enya futu ma ye nyina ye ho se ye nya akonya ne kasa manipa tia ye ma kasa no ho nti yen cancer man a baby encourage and say bad discourage because me asem o kan yi me hu say eye bullshit and I say needless and yen say mo say ye beti konwa kwane discuss but also I am just also there ba say be ya ye dey be so too nkofofo because asem na mba ye nya bi fa nka amani nkutu before but ehun hia so be kasa asem no.
Like Becca, you are a very respectable woman. Like you'll be a man for boo because you're so cool and calm. You probably be person, but all cancer man know how to choose your words, not to offend, especially the country Ghana, your motherland. It should be a bit too dry. But me I have no idea say what the panic can either it is true or not. There's this woman on hosting program on TV Africa, friend Councillor Charlotte Ojo. Her sister who dating weed smoker, they are very faithful, trusted in a relationship. I don't understand because some can't do at times, you know, may I not be so because she read the never say. And then there's no idea where it's so what she's saying, do you think it's true?
100% true. On say, sir, I have buying and Cassana. Penny for whom answer fast. No, I'm fair. I have buying answer for. We do not say so. Call we answer my Joanna. I have about baby. I did be a in answer phone and I said him before a woman in time. Enti ebeya de we say ewia se nyansafo bebre na de ho ekoshima na omunum bi but enam say e be tag aden say enyen nti omu start say omu de esie ba fe na ye na ye advocate ye chiche mena to go fa be ho hia say e be kosa ade ko say ade eboa the last time we share guy bi na o di answer say ye jeli no e wo wi ho. Wow. Na out of ignorance no say jail be read because adebe nyamupon and boy nyamupon body habe nyamupon boy
what happened because
also ye chin so onu bi keke ene na ma ko jail na onti ase nti o kasa bitel pa me je number said that ko ene beba we show you so am wa ready wa kasa me je number and ye kan be si woman dem so say ahaban no afi na wiase nyansafo asha se omo ka ho asama ni party ntina Kofi Annan kwa no ye UN Secretary General obo ho de wo kan yo ade munum o munyintuma ye ntia ode enya no bebie de ekọ no and ade a papa ye yinum no ko from na no ka jo say UPP United Progressive Party
omo flag bearer
omo pese omo legalize nyango forging ho lands e de ye adwuma e san say papa my friend bi ne papa a lawyer tinam ta ko na namfo no ho ti maybe me call ya na ho so yan ko chire ho lawyer mo a me do anje se papa na abo ano a on ma ne pito se nto no de pito na ti me o shame ko trans ne din komo na bi se madam fo ne se na papa na so oni ne papa ina na omo benum omo afi echi ewia sa na ma ko trana omo hai na bobi papa bi se papa na se for that day so no ma ye chi o ma ye chi na na o dey as a lawyer kada me plain said se me ko numbi na police ni bi chi me mfa no no nka se me che police no na o ma me obi ma dwo hu se san even and sana doctors kuku da mfa so mo ko ye operation no eno na omo nom and sana no ma ko ye operation o ka che me se and sana judge a ye papa enko tedwom ndi asem no eno na onno no kadam so numa ebie wa adwenem e ma odwene positive nko an de sa ye nuanom na omo ye rasafo a ye hu ma na adwendwane no ade ma omo ye positive ye sa haban no the moment of take pe don't think negative ye wo bi a onuma no a enya no nko a no de nsa aka ho sabe po na omo num di kodi bona bi poko ade sabe kuke e ka ho you will be on the honor so I share with you could do bonus. But if any percentage about there 89% and no at the yard papa. And until the entire man casa say when you smoke that thing or think it positive. You bonny free with life for more. And to be when you better you know rasta for a better once. I mean I started say you better come once because me rasta man be conante, no American. rasta ono kwa na ma me nkwa na from that time no ebe nyina me jai bi na sana me nam dada but na ko share me den e ma me jai na mo we o ka kire me say adenti na nipa oni akoko oni odwan ne ho antife da ko no 20 no ware o say emwan they have your right
yes
into ono to no nku aboa even sonsono kra ntontom kra nkumbi afi so menene ko nante ye no mahu da ga we eyi ade bia eyem fomso o ya artist o drodro o betni adro na o tere pa ma
okay
o good pa ono o dread na ire ye dread ni matu omo se dread omo okotena America na waba nto no won fie e wa salam down omo tia menene ko tena ya for so menene ko tena be 6 years e wa cry. And the guy was very positive, always be a Bible. The journal dia ebru no waboom no one no the sugar ka crave afra no was sorry the journal dia no. And that guy Mr. no be one home and unti e ma me be ye omo tap me no ma nya meti dread but I became somebody I became somebody and I'm so me dwena o adwene bi and onimba bu mo say so for ko gina I saw them all preaching every baby we come back we be to quote am that is nature until we say na sango for ya tag o mo so mo yin papa no for no they are very good or your honest you will never go and see that man on your baby to be da on no wife ni man ko always or ko baby on your mo enunti maami we oya yankofo na omoye ehu ehan ne bi samebo yankofo be se sumo enti yankofo wa de bra ba be hu ehan ne bi wo be hu han na ehan ne be cho se ade we ade a o se legalize because sa Ghana ye jai sika bebre o yankwa nyina because of ade we now because you say Uganda for akọ sign $16 billion e was ade we hu e then na o makọ sign size ka we e just abofo na nimdefo nyansafo hu say ade we no e boanansa doctor kwa kwa operation no I say okonumbia how much more wa o TV elenti maame no kasa of just such people no they are trustworthy because okonum side and ba on positive on negative on say wakofa obafofro aka na ire ho because unya akoba afi de no start say udrimu sana mi ho omo ukonum bia na nye say bia ukonum be di bone a ukoba bia ade a obi achieve no you want to achieve more than that person and today bia no you remain focused but me compare side na me no ba we obi a onum nsan dem na sebe ka no pe na ukodwena oba ho oh yan face fight program we yan fight dey see nipa bia o twa bibia no o buru ya de adwena ba wadwun first e oba I see nipa bia so oba sumoku no sumoku ya adwena ba wadwun e yes oba achieve wo aim and ti wo hwe difference na these people no they are the people are also nka ma e ware se na maame no e kan nti maame no mebo na ba se o so ehu han na omo ntwa se o be de na di ama wiase na ehu hia se ye legalize be nwana no na eboa oman economy because na se ko so bi ya se ansana ye be ko fo no etun de no ko aye bi se ade bi etwa ye pese ye pam se na be ya onti ya ye de injecto a na hono no ayetiti na yayi operation we na uko e da say e mana ye twa omo ansana ye yi akra no ye krofo ni na sade otumi de eye bi enunti the benefit no eye more is that going to san ba say sade na etum de cure diabetes
oh I see
yale hu etum de cure me ka say maybe na minya kakana mesia me ya ba ya nko na mko chikache man say ah we konoa sade no bi na fa hu nsuo fa gina osinma beko me ye ya hwem ekọ nti the benefit no doso na nyanya ngopon de boy o se mu ndie aduaban fa ahaban no ensa yare adina ya ahaban na say ho ne yesi o yan fan say yare
oh that like na me hu say bebre na ma mo he ne say on say o smoke here and you see in wrong They rat almost so inside and they could damage some things. And a home no mujina.
A home no mujina is great. I true go say it's harmful to your health. And so now because we are kota or and young compared to no smoker a free marijuana mubano different from cigarettes. Great. And until me make own say yeah on him Solomon Bible mu no wan ko se wiem yankopon o se nyansa efi yankopon ho aje se wiase ina na nyansa fo sa papa no owu ye ne na so na sa widi ana se wi ye fifiri ye oh na je researcher se me makanto pa se researcher
amega ko researcher o wa me ameza bukasa asem na da
sa widi no ade yankopon na suma abofo mo betua papa na so to signify wisdom to signify wise man enunti and obeje dia obi osmoke bia ye wise man ade dan na kufa da we better chain ho e better chain because nko fo hu se papa se dwene no odwene bro nko fo so obi a wakosa den bia ye wise man na mum ye nuanu mo bi no mo ena mo no mbi kan sa de no egu ase mo de sam nyoma bi fufu de ade e de egu so na adwena kekan bom na mo de na mo de di bon nte basa na akwa sign positive na na karo sam say police for to me call operation na baby akoke for no go ni asan mo ho ni akomure mu na we for go akọ ti we Valentina they do akoke for no ni ani chop they know and onima wan say me wo me nyu me na ye ko trace ni wo striking force me say me body no na police scene na movie no performance movie tenyu me ne kodu madam for ba ko ma twema aya bi obi a mi chia o ma twema pa madam for no ana aya so ye nwura police for no na na for bi o ho ye wura ho a ade na mo police for no o me cooperation ya mo ama o me he ya ade bia am say na nya ade na mo tichi o police for no ya fa eche ho ko yo mo hu bi am say so and so most uncle for ya mo shi obi a mo chi no ade nyansafo ni nim the phone nim the benefit of it and ye mbo hu de ma nko no so be hu nyansa de so mo no mo de di so and the phone ko say ye president e bia oye bibia na che no so a obetua fechu aba be ya na na de ayi o da say enti yankoso a endi hu na kofiansa na no onyansa ni obetua be wiase nyina president na ono ka che o sa de ne ya o hu ni sen na ye nanam na say Mike Tyson wasachira oye sofo
yes
wante and edwuma be na oye edwuma ye nso odua wi eye nyansa fo na ehu adet na America California ye legalize it into what they said Ghana in nyansa say America for na
no way
they know they be out there upper factor in 5 years to come people will start advocate for people to know how important the woman say over course I dey nemo
all right
we need the maame no why dey say o dey there abetum ye be na say ni ya hye nim kwan say onko so advocate ye mo bi so nya kwanya bia ye be cheche hia say aban bi e be legalize simple ye you people go nya kwanya no so a ye ba aban first na be say e be legalize say na be ya ebeboa oman kanko sanse oman bia ehia sika ne dia boyebra na say ayesu ne wa asase papa Ghana kwade de ye mo boya e mistake a chefa asase a wo de body shema adebechi na yetwa na say asase we yentu fangu sa de man ne benefit na say betina esu koma na obi kodua na ebechi na ya na ye hu enemies.
When I made two John Kosoff so when Jay say me help. Kwajo kafra wa.
No but no bia so na ene ne ho. Efa.
Because so de no ho.
Madam Owusu so hwe me a wa se me na me be kan. Owusu o editor waji di bone e fe no breaking kan no. Kroma de sinedwuma de we champion. Obosi we trace ni on the church ni e fe ndi chakojo no.
Yeah.
Na Owusu na ja wodi ma de ye. Na program bi seminar me MC no no ma be judge. Ya ye bibi asset up. Na Owusu person ni so ya shinti. ane mante feature ho obetna kunyan so ndo so simtim sheme ehun yanso usu na tiafa so a o kemu so we ane jam ko mo amade bokodi ndo chefi bonus so na jaye man da odaye the program quite one time tradition say program we and I'm advising say message no ene ni moja no emfa ntonja onso oti advice no a jaye no and the olivu normal and the kwame janga say movie industry no we many e bia soba e from no na oho a obo adwuma pa wasanso nyesika nti nka na eguso a yeah, boy, Jumanti, we need the engine too.
Because so many, I'm really sorry. We're not from you say, Mom. Continue to. Well, before I said, Major Colonel, you were talking about your next production, which you are preparing towards next month, right? So maybe so come you can call if I'm watching.
Well, my father was not master say a Juman, you go so no. Na ye heni paswa, omo serious. Etulo tuminye ni pani mobi. O director no nim say ni pani serious. Won be ba no ma won kekan na nyoma bi no na embo adwuma ntina also san here the next people on be kan ho. Ebia na wonya talent and the serious ones said ewo. Eno nti nanka ye number na de say e penipa 40 pe. Nanka de mo adwuma aye Engiben Films. The number na nanka penipa 40. Odo we nya 40 ni de ba ye hwe mu no o say ye nya nipa ni bi so de e be kan ho. So say ye san here nipa 10. I'm na be 50 course the next movie no and no be epic. The ka epic sin na ya na the above your dress ye try say ye tete mremu. E be epic but ye be san cambrofo and the be hydrogen no. But ye epic ye cambrofo. And nti say o hwe ye na akonya wo ho a obetumi afre ye number no 0247 162901. Mesa number for so asan to esa number for asan atudwa sebe ya obi peso obedwane yen a obedwane wi ameka se talent ni ewu mu edipene yen na be mo sa akonya na ase ene boy ya boy ya ene Chelsea boy ya ne Brighton eja ye started ball na obi edidi Lampard atem se adentina ye bobo ehia se na wo bo William obo Barkley na de se to sambo Pedro tinanko fodwa esanse odin kra bia badwuma no mu a anasa ball no man kra na yade tinanko fo susan kombo police mo enso or started or operate changes in my Chelsea we need 2-0.
Oh, okay.
Then the debut because the coach when ma player no chance nti e wo na be decide say oba exhibit o talent nti ye de oba be ma akonya no say faye bibi na utumi ba na oda ne dia na e be to house say amfo na che ne to aso nti adwuma na be hia nipa nti obi atumi de baby emene ne ye adwuma
be a willingness and determination. Maybe you might have passion for something, but you need to be more serious because some say so like you remember quite fun easy. It's not that easy, but when you break, what do we need to see oh yeah, directors or they will direct you do this, don't do this. Since I already tell me so person, oh yeah, I don't know, and yet that difficult for you. And first experience when then you learn more from it. Then it pushes you forward. Into and it's not saying say oh like embo one point fear obi abet me aye obi into the interest home e your dream when it disturb home unya na nka wo no obet me kwa abet chance and banner. This is the opportunity for you. So obet me afa number na e wo square no ye dey back be kan home obet me afre no ye no atwetwe nkomo. Make sure say the next movie na e be ba no obi won be because it's a hit enye easy meeting also director there on a Jimaba outside only say why Jimaka. So don't miss this opportunity. Director, we don't say things from by. Thank you so much. Uncle Pombo. When Jumano yes, Yambe Mosa Kunyan. Besa me that was silly, me that was silly, Jan Mamo Sakunya more down. Today, Mama Kunyan or something.
Mamma Uncle Phobia sister comfort pain and then sister Manasa Mami you or more UK. Omubo mechi don pa na na bi say me to no me ya ba kon atwa me 100 euros me ne Japan ko san ya me se bebre skakiti e ma me ska bebre na je say
wow mama director bi ya me sha mo
bi ya ja ma hwe bia no ngopon kam ho ya na me je ni ono mo abrochi no ho pan se edwumedi o mo hwe ebi se no a ohene mu a o hwe ya o Sunday pictures e dia na so ohene we hwe a ye bonkom we bi no ye nipa ye betumi afom adwuma no na afom a be se mo mfa kasade na mo ntentene sanse prefer di o twasa no no se na chi achia na atemdi na o mudi ye no o mo nsusu na ye de ye tan asem
Yes. Okay. Well, thank you so much. God bless you. That's the Sultan side, Farah. You're to yourself, Farah, bye. And we are really much blessed and grateful for having you on this program because what you have really taught us a lot. God bless you.
Thank you very much.
Yo, my chef for Papa, we made them 6. Some of J brain, I'm share. When you say when you're the pub because I then say me, the moon say yes strong call. No one near my baby, what's near my baby, so I say. It's me song say when you're say share, no maybe a when you're queen, you be unsure, you know. Also, and should be bitchy, why dream was same big car. Obey to me, actually, or YouTube. Jumedi na say and also beat me there for your WhatsApp line so 0545332422 0545332422 me passion ya na wa share amayen kama na umia so enye bia hwe ni na yenya so mfaso me do ase da be my maboafo mo so me fe e ma metimi di Jumedi bro fefe amokwat company amakofa Asempa Herbal Mixture and Asempa Natural Capsules Asempa Herbal Mixture no malaria duro wonu matso untimi ni di edwani so akona na untimi ndi mimi aba kwa feature sia na wo bre tutumi kan kope Asempa Herbal Mixture ni benom na emema mo kompa so untimi mu adwuma moni mo yire no moni mo girlfriend they be a trouble ye bi sama untimi nka na they be how ni atete na mo how ni to atwa tutumi kan kope Asempa Natural Capsules ni benom now asundwe emra o yire them emra no girlfriend them and so fast that we my Angel Ben Films and the Ben Films the moon say Kumasi hadide omo mo de camera ye dwuma ye neat say ba sinitra eyiye our real photo shoot ade be the camera ye moon say Angel Ben at the mofua to suffer Angel Ben number ye ma kama e Asempa Herbal Mixture open the door to my number is this way 0244131640 0244131640 Obenya Angel Ben and so some mama be adwuma kama ama our hamatofo iso 0247162901 0247162901 ebie media sedema me crew mo bo me chi do mo ka me ho e me di Jumedi bro fefe e me tenka producer on a chinchin video san holding camera no e ma Jumedi ye kama kodwonko so e da was Nyankopon sure no ma onwode na de bia yenye adwuma ne nkoso kama me a me di Jumedi ho chia me so ye frame na echa ahofe me da so say bre na o share makramo bye.
Akan TV, the internet, bro. Subscribe for more.